If you're looking for clear, glowing, and healthy skin, and you're tired of trying 10-step routines that don't work, this is the video you need. Let's fix your skin in just 5 smart steps. Step 1. Exfoliate, but gently. Mix yogurt, aloe gel, almond meal, and coconut oil. This combo removes dead skin, unclogs pores, and hydrates. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with a warm cloth. Step 2. Use a glow mask. Cucumber slices with aloe equals cooling and soothing. Rice blended with honey equals brightening and smooth texture. Use once or twice a week. Don't overdo it. Step 3. Moisturize daily. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and glycerin. If you have dry skin, aloe, rose water, or vitamin E can help. Step 4. Never skip sunscreen. Use SPF 30 or higher, even if you're staying indoors. Sun damage doesn't need a burn. It shows up later as dark spots and wrinkles. Step 5. Add retinoids at night. Start 2 nights a week. They help with acne, scars, fine lines, and make your skin look younger over time. Be gentle, be consistent, follow this for 3 weeks, and your skin will glow. No filter needed.